The term sustainable design or green design, green transition sometimes feel like quick patches on a failing system. What are your thoughts on this term, these terms that are being thrown around, and the implications of it? And do you think that design as a tool, as an instrument that has brought us into the situation that we're in right now, this failing system, can actually get us out of it? Or do we need to seriously rethink the paradigm?
Okay, well, to answer the first part about terminology, we use green transition partly because we were trying to get away from the kind of terms government prefer to use, like net zero, which I find a very compromised concept, and even to get away from terms like sustainability, which is a term that feels stuck. And for us, green transition reflects the totality of the transition we're looking for, which is not just about a transition away from carbon, but dealing with the environmental crisis, the biodiversity crisis. So it's a transition in a much more holistic sense, not just a carbon sense, but a full environmental sense. Also, ideally, a kind of human consciousness sense, but that's really pushing the term to its limits, I would say. In terms of what design, the role that design has to play, I mean, for me, it's self-evident that design is a force for change. And that force can move in many different directions. And the direction it has moved over the last 100 years is towards improving the life and the quality of life of humans. And it's been a tremendous force in doing that, in raising people to a certain standard of living and comfort and efficiency and all of those things. But that has come at a cost, an environmental cost. And I'm not laying the environmental crisis at the door of design or designers in any way. I'm just saying design is by definition a human-centric discipline, and so has played a role in the situation we are in today and will play a role in getting us out of it. But I'm also not, I'm not here to be the ambassador for design in a way. I'm not suggesting design is the answer. I'm saying it is a mechanism or a force that will shape change. That's what design does, right?
Yeah.
And that can be in small ways in terms of material changes and behavioral changes, and it can be in much more strategic and systemic ways. But for sure, design will be a crucial factor in what we're calling the green transition.